Hi there, let us see how to add or build a subform in FastField. A subform is a smaller form built into a larger one. It helps you collect recurring or related data, like line items or multiple entries, without cluttering the main form. To create a subform, select Forms, then click on My Forms in the left navigation menu. Here you can view and manage your forms and subforms. All forms and subforms can be easily accessed, edited, and customized by clicking on the Actions icon. In this section, I want the vehicle inspectors to log the total weekly mileage on each construction vehicle in a given week. Drivers log their mileage daily and after each drive. This means there may be multiple mileage records, submissions in a given week. I want to utilize the subform to capture each instance or drive. Here are the step-by-step instructions on how to create a mileage log section and add fields to a vehicle inspection form. Begin by creating a mileage log section and add date fields as shown. Next, add the subform field. Scroll to the bottom of the Add Fields panel on the left side of your screen. Click Subform to add it to the form. In the Subform Settings panel, there are two options for creating or adding subforms to your main form. The first option is to select Subform dropdown. This dropdown lists all existing subforms within your portal. The other option is Create a New Subform button. This button allows you to create a brand new subform form within this form. This is useful when you are building a subform from scratch and are ready to add it to your main form. Next, click on the long text field type to add it to your form. Rename your long text field to Start Address. Next, add another long text field and rename it End Address. Then, customize the key field. Select Numeric Field Key and enter Start Odometer field. If you click the green Keyboard button, you can determine how field users submit their numeric form responses. You can set a minimum and maximum value for field users and collectors to ensure the appropriate data is captured. Similarly, add the field type numeric and update End Odometer field, giving minimum and maximum numeric values. This mileage log subform covers everything from creating fields for date, time, purpose, start and end addresses, start and end odometer readings and notes. Lastly, don't forget to save the subform. Congratulations, we have successfully created a subform and saved it.